Meta-owned instant messaging platform WhatsApp keeps updating the app to enhance the user experience. The company has now introduced an all-new feature to help users avoid accidental messaging situations. The popular social media app has released accidental delete feature for all Android and iPhone users. We know there are times when you want to delete a message for everyone, but accidentally you may tap on the delete for me option from the pop-up menu displayed. This mistake deletes the message for you but not for the recipient, which could lead to some awkward situations. But now with the accidental delete feature of WhatsApp, this situation can be reversed. This feature allows WhatsApp users to undo their action of message deletion within 2 seconds. It is important to note that users have up to 2 days after sending a message to delete it for everyone. For group chats though, admins have the ability to delete messages sent by members. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand how this latest WhatsApp feature actually works. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and go to a WhatsApp chat. Step 2. Tap and hold the message that you want to delete. Step 3. Tap on the delete icon available at the top of the chat window. Step 4. Now you can tap on the undo button available at the bottom of the chat window if you have accidentally selected the delete for me option from the pop-up menu. And the final step 5, the message will be restored and then you can select the option of delete for everyone. So that's it from our side. Do let us know what you think about this WhatsApp feature, and for more tech related content, subscribe to the Gadgets Now YouTube channel. And this is Milind signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.